Hello and welcome back to the super huge Ginormus build-off by Diecast Graveyard. As we're getting ready to receive all the glamour shots, I wanted to introduce you to the next category, which is favorite snack or condiment. And what that means is you can do your favorite snacks, such as any kind of chips or pretzels, etc., etc. But that'd be your choice. Or your favorite condiment, which could be mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, Tabasco sauce, whatever. It doesn't really matter, but it's going to be a great category. The due date for the next build is May 15th. That will be when the glamour shots are due for the next build. Good luck to everyone. As I get the recap video together, and once I get it done and posted, then you'll be able to cast your vote for your favorite build, which will be pretty darn awesome. But make sure you vote for the best card. Look at the work that goes into it, etc. It'll be pretty cool. I'll have the recap video up within a few days, and you'll be able to go on and cast your vote. Again, good luck to everybody, and look forward to seeing the builds that you guys come up with. Thank you so much, and cheers.